for you is very simple. Sing one song for us.
Morning to you all. My name is Chandra. I'm from Kasaragod.
If you were supposed to be given football to you, which position will you prefer the position that you want to play in the match?
I'm mostly like a goalkeeper.
You feel to be the goalkeeper. Suppose if you are a goalkeeper, when you are going to have a bullet shot, how are you going to catch that one?
Short action. Long shot.
My idea is that so I could get a hard
The question is, how are you going to catch that football? When it comes a bullet shot to you, you must demonstrate. Show the action how you are going to catch the football when the bullet shot comes.
Parting the noon.
Because I was the Northeast champion.
But they are, what to say, they are not show off, they are full confidence, that is not enough. So they are directly rejected this. But now, but in this of that, they are not rejected this. Yeah. After full-time selection, last selection, I got injured, my hand was cracked. But I never say that to my coach, that my hand is cracked. But certainly select. In Hamren, we are selected people's under-18 players and monitor. In the Hamren Government, the name was Kiran, and myself, goalkeepers, say. And I certainly feel the patience and feel hate. So that's all.
You are